Racing Jazz is started with Stravinsky. Break quickly at the start. Takas in second, rushing upon the arms that is Miss Tarzana in between our stairs. Costless running by the release Indiana Sky, while Divine Dancer is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn where Indiana Sky now takes command. Link any up is Stravinsky in second. Miss Tarzana is racing in third, running by the airport comes Takas. The next online is Divine Dancer, while Costless now racing in last. Back to the leader, we are in Indiana Sky is still in control, leads by about half length. Stravinsky remains in seconds. Miss Tarzana now trying to get closer in third, and in fourth comes Takas. Divine Dancer, while Costless now racing in last. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make their moves inside the last 400. The lead now belongs to Miss Tarzana, running by Gelis Stravinsky. Then as they swing to Rome, we have Miss Tarzana. Stravinsky is running by the rider. Miss Tarzana rolling up. Stravinsky is tunneling inside. Last 75 meters. Miss Tarzana over Stravinsky, and finally it's Miss Tarzana. Stravinsky third. Close. Divine Dancer, Costless, then comes Takas and Indiana Sky.
Okay, we have an upset. Pag naging official na po, we have an upset. Si Miss Tarzana po ang unang tumawid ng ating meta, followed by Stravinsky. Yan, unofficial winner po natin yan, si horse number 7, Miss Tarzana.